In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Zoho CRM, providing a seamless way to manage your sales, customer data, and business operations without breaking a sweat. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned e-commerce expert, this integration can drastically enhance your workflow by unifying your systems into one cohesive unit. So, let's dive right into it and make sure this process is as smooth as possible for you. First, we need to start by logging into your Shopify account. If you're already familiar with the platform, this should be a walk in the park. Simply go to the Shopify website or app and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, look for the Apps section on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Click it, and you'll see a host of options available to expand the functionality of your store. Next up, we need to find the Zoho CRM app within the Shopify App Store. Head over to the Visit Shopify App Store button, usually located at the top of the app's page. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar to look for Zoho CRM. You'll likely find a couple of options. The one you want is specifically designed to integrate directly with Shopify. Click on the correct app once you've located it. Now, let's install the application. Click the Add App button, which will start the installation process. You might be prompted to confirm some details or authorize permissions. Just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. This should only take a couple of minutes, and once completed, it'll take you to a new setup screen. After installation, it's time to head over to your Zoho CRM account. Log into your Zoho CRM account if you don't have one yet. You'll need to set it up, but we'll assume you already have your credentials handy here. On the dashboard, navigate to the Marketplace section. It's usually housed under the Setup tab, which involves clicking on a small gear icon you'll find in the top right corner of your CRM dashboard. Once you're in the Marketplace, locate the Shopify Integration module and install it by clicking on the Add button. Now, this part is crucial. You'll have to connect your Shopify store to the Zoho CRM account. Enter your Shopify URL and authenticate it. You might need to allow some permissions. This is standard procedure, so no need to worry. With everything set up, let's talk about customization. You can now map your Shopify fields to Zoho CRM fields according to your preferences. This is your chance to determine what data you want to sync between both platforms. For example, you could sync customer email addresses, order details, and sales data, giving you a complete overview of your business in Zoho CRM. Finally, don't forget to click Save once you're finished. Test out your integration by making a sample order on Shopify and checking if it reflects on Zoho CRM. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've now successfully integrated Shopify with Zoho CRM, setting the stage for enhanced business efficiency. That's all for today's tutorial. Be sure to let us know how this integration has helped your operations in the comments below. Happy selling!